Click cell D12. You will use the SLN function here to calculate the straight-line depreciation for the company's manufacturing equipment. Type =SLN, open parenthesis, in cell D12. As you type, Excel displays screen tips with information about the SLN function and prompts for function arguments. Click cell D5 to press F4. F4 converts the cell reference to an absolute reference, so you can accurately copy the formula to the remaining cells in the column. Type a comma to continue. Click cell D7 to enter the salvage argument. Press F4. Type a comma. Click cell D6 to enter the life argument. Press F4. Type close parenthesis to press Enter. Excel returns the result of the formula in cell D12. Note the depreciation value is the same as the value from the previous year.